Good afternoon students of class 8. Yesterday I was discussed already resource and its classifications. Resource can be classified mainly two types, natural resource and human resource. Yesterday we have to discuss already natural resource and its classifications. Today I will talk about human-made resources. Human resource conservation and sustainable development. These are the main topics today. Clear? So, human-made resource. What do you mean by human-made resource? In naturally, any kind of substance or things is not has any kind of usability, valuable or value. If want to make better or more resources with the help of human knowledge, skill and its technology can develop more resource. That is called human-made resources. That is called human-made resources. Such as the human-made resources is technology. Technology, that means in Hindi Prajukti Vidya. Prajukti Vidya, by this technology we can develop any kind of street, road, bridge. Right or wrong? Road, bridge, constructions, buildings and many more. These are called human-made resources. Clear? Now we talk about human resource. What do you mean human resource? Already discussed, that is human resource is those resource we cannot observe, we cannot see, just we can feel. That means our education, our quality, our skills, our knowledge, these are not seen by us, only we can feel. By that human resource, that means skills, quality, knowledge, education, with the help of that particular things, the resource can be more usable, more active, more developed. Clear? Are called human resource. Clear? At this time, since ancient period to at this time, man unnecessarily or here and there unconsciously use of resources. As a result, the resource is empty. The limitation of resource is fully empty. That means we all know that some resources are renewable and some resources are non-renewable, already talked in previous classes. So if not consciously and actively use of resource, we definitely loss of resource. Clear? So now we talk about resource conservations. What do you mean by resource conservations? Resource conservations is that conservations which are we can use the resource with conscious with actively and store for our future generations and give them to renewed in our surroundings. If not give them time, how can renewed, how can form, how can develop? So this is called resource conservations. For resource conservations in the world, many more projects has been developed, has been signed in different seasons, different times by the different world leaders. One of them, Rio de Janeiro Earth Summit in 1992 on August month. 1992 Rio de Janeiro Earth Summit is one of the most important and valuable Earth Summit which was also talk about resource conservations. Clear? In this Earth Summit, many more objectives. One of them, resource conservations. By this Earth Summit, more than 100 countries leaders are met together for the development of resource, and they are signed together and decided that within 2025 all of country which are made together and signed together, excess resource can be developed within 2025. Clear? This is the big step to conserve resource conservations. Clear? Now we can also conserve the resource with sustainable development. Sustainable development is that development we can use the resource according to our necessary, according to our need, and also conservations for future generations is called sustainable development. Clear, students? If any kind of question create in your mind of these topics, about these topics, you can ask me after our completion of all question answer from that chapters. Okay? So tomorrow we will discuss all question answer from chapter 2 exercise and inside the books, inside the chapters. So thank you very much. Take care.